Hello everyone, this is Miss C here, and I noticed that some students are still having trouble logging into Zoom for classes. So I'm trying to make a mock account here just so I can show you exactly how to log in with Zoom, okay? If you have technical issues, as some students have had, they've been very good about emailing me right away. If you're in my second period, you're lucky because I can meet with you right away at the start of class to help resolve them. But if you're in first or third period, it'll be more difficult. For first period, please try to meet with me between 8:30 and 9, so that way arrange an appointment with me ahead of time so I can meet with you to help you set up. If you're in third period, you can also try to meet with me during that time as well, or meet with me after school. I'm also available between 3 and 3:30 to help students, especially if they weren't able to get in today. Email me saying you want to meet between 3 and 3:30, and I hosted a Google Meet today for some kids in second period, and we were able to resolve a couple of issues. So this is a generic way to log into Zoom. Because we have education accounts now through the district, we have to do it this way, okay? So you're gonna go to zoom.us, okay? You can see it up here in my corner here. You should see something like this. If you do not, here's a way to get out of it, okay? See where it says my account here? Click on that. And then you'll click here on your icon when it shows up, and then you're going to click sign out. Okay. All right. And then this is the website it should pop up. The reason why you're seeing it here a little bit more like this is because you want to click this sign in button right here. Okay. Don't click the orange one, click the blue one. Okay. Then please scroll all the way down. Okay, you're not going to be going in the top. You're going to scroll all the way down, and you're going to click sign in with Google. Okay, then right here at the top, you see I have my SSFUSD.org account. Okay, make sure you're logging in with that one. Go ahead and click through that. And of course, it'll set up your account. Obviously, since I'm a teacher, these are my meetings, but you won't have this screen, okay? So what you're going to do next is you're going to go to your Google Classroom, okay? Classroom.google.com, okay? And I have set up a mock account here, all right? So if I look to my left here, I have class, okay? And I have created a fake classroom so I could show you. You will go to classwork, then you will click on the one where it says Zoom link, okay, for your period. I made a fake one right here just for setup purposes. You click view material, and obviously if this was a link, you would simply click on the link, okay, right? So that link plus the password when you're asked to go into it should work for you. You may get a screen that asks you to either join or sign in. If that happens, click sign in, and then sign in again with your South San Francisco Unified District email, the SSFUSD.org email, and password. Then click the X, then click on this link again and try to enter the password. Sometimes there's a glitch, okay, and it'll usually say, what's the password, and you can enter the password, okay? I hope that resolves a couple of the issues. If you have trouble, please email me right away so that way I can figure out what the problem is. If it's the internet, if it's the Chromebook, if you're using a Chromebook, if it's, something else. But these will generally solve most of your problems. Thank you for listening and have a great rest of your day.